Good afternoon, my everyone. Now we are going to do the problems. So first, I'll start with the first problem. So a discrete random variable has given with the corresponding values, x values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the corresponding probabilities are 0, k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square. I think you can remember these formulas you have done in your intermediate, and very important question for the examination point of view. Now what you have to do is you have to find the first bit k value you need to find. So how to find this k value, ma? Total probability is equal to 1. If you add all probabilities, you get the value of your k. And the second bit you need to find out is probability of x greater than 3. And the third bit is probability of 0 less than x less than 5. And the fourth bit is find the distribution function. So all these bits we are going to solve it now. First we'll solve this problem of first we'll find out the k. So how to find k? Solution. So total probability is 1. Total probability equal to 1. That is sum of p of x equal to 1. Total probability is 1. So what are the probabilities have here? Add all these probabilities. 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k equal to 1. You need to add all these values. Okay. So how many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9k plus k square. 3 plus 7, 10. 10k square minus 1 equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. Okay. You have to solve your quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? 10k square plus 9k minus 1 equal to 0. You have studied in your school level. You have to split the middle term. Okay. So what are the factors you have here? Minus 1 into 10 minus 10k square. So what do you get the middle term now? You have to write 10k plus k minus 1 equal to 0. 1 minus. Okay. Now I'll take 10k common. If I take 10k common, what will I get? K plus 1. I'll take minus common here, minus 1. So you'll get k plus 1. Now what's the common term here? K plus 1. So you get 10k minus 1. So the two terms are equal to 0 means either this term is equal to 0 or this term equal to 0. If I write k plus 1 equal to 0 or 10k minus 1 equal to 0. So what will happen to the value of k here? Minus 1. And what will happen to the value of k here? 1 by 10. And please remember, we are doing probability. Your k value is minus 1. Can probability be negative? No, probability is not negative. Since probability cannot be negative, therefore, what is the value of k? K equal to 1 by 10. Substitute these k values in the given problem. So what will become the solution? X equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What will happen to your probabilities now? You have your 0, k. What is k value? 1 by 10. What is the value? 2 into 1 by 10? 2 by 10. Next, 2 by 10, 3 by 10. Next, 10 square, 100, 2 into 100, 10, 1 by 10 square, that is 1 by 100 and 2 by 100. And what do you have here? 7 by 100 plus k. K is 1 by 10. Okay, now we'll solve the first bit. What is the first bit? Already we have done k value equal to 1 by 10. Now second bit. What is second bit? Probability of x greater than 3. So how to calculate x greater than 3? Greater than 3 means 4, 5, 6, 7. All these values you need to calculate. That is probability of x equal to 4 plus probability of x equal to 5 plus probability of x equal to 6 plus probability of x equal to 7. So what is x equal to 4? 3 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 2 by 100 plus 7 by 100 plus 1 by 10. So you add this one, 3 plus 1, 4 by 10. 4 by 10 plus 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 100, which is equal to 4 by 10 plus 1 by 10, which is equal to 5 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 2. So this is how we have to calculate probability of x greater than 3. Suppose that if you have a greater than or equal to 3, then what will happen? You have to include the number 3 also. But it is strictly greater than 3. So greater than 3 means 4, 5, 6, 7 values you need to add up. Okay? And it is 1 by 2. Now the third bit we are going to do. Third one, probability of 0 less than x less than 5. Probability of 0 less than x less than 5. So what is the values? My x takes what values? In between 0 and 5. What are the values in between 0 and 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 and 5 are not included. If it is included, you have to use strictly less than or equal to. But it's strictly given that less than. 0 less than, x less than 5. Excluding 0 and 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. These probabilities you need to add. So x equal to 1 plus x equal to 2 plus x equal to 3 plus x equal to 4. These probabilities you need to add. So what is probability of x equal to 1? X equal to 1 is 1 by 10. X equal to 2, 2 by 10. X equal to 3, 2 by 10. X equal to 4, 3 by 10. So what values you have? 5, 6, 7, 8 by 10, which is equal to 0.8. So this is the value. Okay, next the last bit, distribution function. So distribution function is nothing but like your cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? You are adding your frequencies from top to bottom. The same thing you need to do. I'll write here x values, p of x values, and distribution function capital F of x. So what are the values of x? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So p of x values 0, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10. Next 1 by 100, 2 by 100, 7 by 100 plus 1 by 10. So you need to add all these probabilities. The first value 0. 0 plus 1 by 10. Which is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10. 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10. Which is equal to 3 by 10. 3 by 10 plus 2 by 10. Which is equal to 5 by 10. And 5 by 10 plus 3 by 10. కట్ చేస్తారు కదా మధ్యలో. So 5 by 10 plus 3 by 10. What is 5 by 10 plus 3 by 10? 8 by 10. 8 by 10 plus 1 by 100. So what do you get? 80 plus 1. 81 by 100. If you take LCM will be 10. So it will be 80 plus 1, 81 by 100. Next 81 by 100 plus 2 by 100, which is equal to 83 by 100. And the last value I am going to write here, 83 by 100 plus 7 by 100 plus 1 by 10, which is nothing but what, ma? So 83 plus 7, 90. 90 by 100 plus 1 by 10, which is nothing but 90 plus 10, 100. 100 by 10, 100, which is equal to 1. What is that probability? If you add all the probabilities, total probability will be equal to 1. So you are adding just the probabilities. So the last value of the probability will be equal to 1. Let's go on with the second example. So let x be a random variable. The values given are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. And the corresponding probabilities are 0.1, k, 0.2, 2k, 0.3, k. Find. So what are the things you need to find? The first bit is find the value of k. Second bit you need to find mean. And the third bit is you need to find the variance. So let's solve this problem. So the first thing is you have to find k. So as the previous example, the same thing, total probability equal to 1. We should use the same concept that the total probability is 1. So add the probabilities. 0.1 plus k plus 0.2 plus 2k plus 0.3 plus k equal to 1. So what will happen? K plus 2k, 3k plus 4k. 4k plus 0.3 plus 0.3, 0.6 equal to 1. So 4k equal to 1 minus 0.6. So 4k equal to 0.4. So k equal to 0.4 by 4, which is nothing but 0.1. So the value of k is 0.1. Now you need to calculate mean. Very important point. This is mean. So the formula of mean is summation x into p of x. And what is the values of x? -2 to -3. X equal to -2 to 3. So you need to multiply x with the corresponding probability. So -2 into 0.1, -1 into k, you have to do it. So -2 into 0.1 plus -1 into k plus 0 into 0.2 plus 1 into 2k plus 2 into 0.3 plus 3 into k. So what will happen? -2 into 0.1 minus 0.2 minus k plus 0 plus 2k plus 0.6 plus 3k. Substitute the value of k. Already we got the value of k. So what is the value of k? K is 0.1. So minus 0.1 plus 0 plus 2 into 0.1 plus 0.6 plus 3 into 0.1. So minus 0.2 minus 0.1 plus 2 into 0.1 is 0.2 plus 0.6 plus 0.3. So what will happen to the value? Minus 0.2 plus 0.2 cancelled out. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 minus 1, 0.8. So the mean of this particular probability distribution is 0.8. Now we'll do the third bit, which is nothing but the variance. We'll calculate variance, the third bit. So what is the formula for variance? Variance is nothing but summation x square into p of x minus mean whole square, which is nothing but x square into p of x minus 2 whole square into 0.1 plus minus 1 whole square into k plus 1 into 1 square into 2k plus 2 square into 0.3 plus 3 square into k minus mean whole square. What is the mean value? We got it 0.8 whole square, which is equal to minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 into 0.1, 0.4 plus minus 1 whole square 1. What is the value of k? K value is nothing but 0.1. 1 square is 1. 1 into 2. 2 into k value is 0.1 plus 2 square is 4, 4 into 0.3 is 1.2 plus 3 square is 9, 9 into k value is 0.1 and 0.8 whole square is 0.64 which is equal to 0.4 plus 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 1.2 plus 0.9 minus 0.64. If you simplify the complete answer, so this is your variance. Solve with the third problem, which is a continuous case problem. Given that probability density function is kx square into 1 minus x and x takes the values between 0 to 1. He's asking to find the value of k. Value of k, and the second bit is he's asking to calculate the mean. So let's solve this problem. So first we'll find k. So the solution is, we know that total probability is 1. Integral f of x dx equal to 1. Integral, what is f of x value? K into x square into 1 minus x into dx equal to 1. What are the limits you have here? 0 to 1. So integral x equal to 0 to 1. K is constant. You can write outside x square into 1 minus x dx equal to 1. So k is a constant, you can write outside x square into 1 x square minus x square into x cube dx equal to 1. Now k into, what are the limits you have? 0 to 1. If you substitute the limits, what is the first? Separate the integrals. My integral x square dx minus integral x cube dx equal to 1. So k into, so what is the integral of x square? X cube by 3. And what are the limits you have here? 0 to 1. Minus integral of x cube is x power 4 by 4. Limits are 0 to 1 equal to 1. Now k into, first upper limit minus lower limit. 1 cube minus 0 cube by 3 minus first upper bound 1 power 4 minus 0 power 4 by 4 equal to 1. So k into 1 cube is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 equal to 1. So take the LCM, 3, 4 LCM is 12. So you get 4 minus 3 which is equal to 1. So k into 4 minus 3 is 1 by 12. So k by 12. So which is nothing but k value equal to 12. So this is the value of your k. Now you need to find the value of mean. So what is the formula for mean for continuous case? Integral x into f of x into dx. X into, what is the f of x value? K into x square into 1 minus x. But the value of k is 12. So substitute the value there. 12 into x square into 1 minus x dx. So 12 is constant. You can write outside x into x square. X into x square into dx. Now 12 into, multiply the terms, x cube minus x cube into x power 4 dx. And what are the limits you have in the question? 0 to 1. So which is equal to 12 into, separate the terms, x cube dx minus x power 4 dx. And the limits are 0 to 1. So 12 into, integral of x cube is x power 4 by 4. Limits are 0 to 1. X power 4 integration is x power 5 by 5. Limits are 0 to 1. So 12 into first upper bound, next lower bound. In place of x, you substitute the upper bound 1. Next lower bound by 4 minus 1 power 5 minus 0 power 5 by 5. So what do you get? Which is equal to 12 into, so 1 power 4 is 1, 0 power 4 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. So you'll get 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. So take the LCM between 4 and 5, which is nothing but here 20. So 4 5s 20 and 5 4s 20, which is nothing but 12 into 5 minus 4, 1 by 20. So the answer is 12 by 20, which is nothing but 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. So the mean of this particular distribution is 3 by 5.